Hey everybody, welcome to Linux Hints YouTube channel once again. Today we have just bought a new colored printer and today we're gonna unbox and review this amazing product. This is HP Smart Tank 515 wireless all-in-one printer. And in this video, we'll also let you know how to set it up for the first time. So without any further ado, let's start. The printer that we are going to review today is HP Smart Tank 515 wireless all-in-one, which has the capability of printing up to 8,000 color prints and 6,000 black prints in one refill. And yes, one more thing, it is a high capacity ink tank printer. So let's start the unboxing and setting up the HP Smart Tank 515 printer. We are simply first going to open up the box, and here at the top of the box you can see that we have got supplies including ink bottles, cartridges and cables. So let's just quickly remove them from the box and place them aside. And after removing the supplies, set the box on its side like this and pull the printer out of the box using the two handles. Here you can see that we have a manual for setting up this printer and repacking guide for transporting the printer to a different location. Remove the foam and plastic bags from around the printer and remove all the blue tapes from the printer. Remove the tape and cardboard from inside the printer as well. Plug in the printer and press the power button to turn it on. The printer will take a couple of minutes to initialize and then it will ask for the ink tanks to be filled. So now let's fill up the tank. Remove the ink bottles from their packaging and get them ready. HP 515 Smart Tank comes with the flip top bottle. So to get the bottles ready, unscrew the cap, remove the seal and then screw the cap back on. Now to fill the tanks, open the front door of the printer, squeeze and flip open the cap of the ink tank. Flip open the ink bottle cap. Turn the bottle upside down and then set it on the ink tank top like this. You don't need to squeeze the bottle will automatically fill the ink tank. Do the same process for yellow, magenta and cyan using all the ink in each bottle. And once the ink tank is filled, remove the bottle and close the cap of the ink tank. Once all the ink tanks are filled, open the printhead access door and make sure that the carriage is in the center and steady. Rotate the handle of the orange plastic support clockwise to disengage it. Push the blue latch down and remove the orange plastic support. Get the color printhead out of the packaging, remove the orange plug and plastic tape. Make sure you do not touch the ink nozzles because it may lead to ink failure, clogs or bad electrical connections. Now place the color printhead into the left slot by holding and sliding it carefully until it snaps into place. Do the same procedure for the installation of the black printhead in the right slot. Once you have added both printheads, push down the blue latch to close it. Now close the printhead access door and the front door. Once you have fulfilled all the requirements of filling the ink tank and installation of printheads is done, it will start to prompt for taking papers. Lift the input tray and then slide the paper guide to its outermost position. Now load the papers and adjust the paper guide so it's touching the paper. After providing the papers to the printer, it will take a couple of minutes to set the alignment and it will print an alignment page. Finally, to finish setting up your Smart Tank printer, visit 123.hp.com on your mobile device or computer. Search for HP Smart Tank 515, select your printer and download the application depending upon your operating system. After downloading the application, open it up and it will ask for selecting the network. Select the Wi-Fi network and connect to the Wi-Fi network by clicking on the Connect button. Click Continue and create a new HP account or sign in to register the printer. Once you are logged in, the printer will be connected and ready for printing over the Wi-Fi connection. So this is how you can set up your HP SmartTank all-in-one printer. We hope this video has helped you in setting up and getting started with this printer. So that's it from this video. Hope you have liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do so and make sure that you hit that bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we put a useful video like this.